Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's WinnieBLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. How are you all this week? Hope you're having a fantastic week. I totally am. I've been selling these bags like crazy. I guess people got their taxes and their stimulus money and they're like, yes, give me that bag. And I'm like, here, take it. So I think I've sold, I want to say 20, at least 20 items this week and last week, or last week and the week before. Some this week too, but it's like every single day I got my husband heading to the post office or UPS or FedEx to ship, get them out. I'm loving that. But anyway, today is all about, I got an item off my wish list, which you guys remember, I revamped my wish list. Let's just say I want it all. I don't care what it is. But this item has been on my radar for a minute, girl. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So you guys know this has been on my wish list for a while, but I told you guys I didn't really care what they had on the side, just as long as I got this item. But anyway, let's just get into it. I got these most fabulous. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm giddy. I'm giddy, girl. Get off of there. Okay. You guys can tell from the box, I guess, if you watch many unboxings, that this is Gucci. Again, I'm just on a Gucci kick, I guess. I blame Yota. Always blame Yota. When Bill asked why I bought some, well, Yota made me do it. It was Yota's fault. What? I'm kidding. Not really. So here we go. It is, you guessed it, Gucci Ace sneakers. Let's get into the box and see. I ordered a 6.5 in men's in this particular shoe from Jomashop.com. Now, if you guys have ever shopped on Jomashop.com, they sent me a text message, so it's really good if you get their text because they don't really blast you too much, but every now and then, a couple weeks ago, I got one and it said 50 to 60% off sneakers, designer luxury sneakers. So I was like, yes. And yes, their Gucci was cheap. You know, sometimes Designer Warehouse has Gucci for less, but I found out this site is even better. So I got four care booklets. I think they all say the same thing. I don't know what that's about, but okay, thank you. Let's see, girl. Yes. What? Okay, I'm excited. Color me happy. I get real sing-songy when I'm excited, girl. Yes. So there's the shoe. It comes with, what does it come with? It comes with the little shoe dust bags, which is nice. And looks like an extra set of, or pair of Gucci laces. So that's awesome. Now, like I said, I ordered men's. And I know a lot of you are like, girl, why didn't you get the B? I need the B because it's WinnieBLV, right? But I didn't get the B. And I'll be honest with you, the B was probably $50 or $60 more. And that is purely the reason. And I want to say that they didn't have my particular size. Now, they were in women's. But I can't be 100% honest. I think I just saw these were cheaper. And I was like, okay, Gucci Ace sneakers, I'm down. Put it in the cart. And so I got them. And they are the men's version with the little tiger face on them. And last year was the year of the tiger, right? So to speak, you know. During COVID, we watched that stupid Tiger King. But anyhow, just for no other reason than this was the cheapest pair that they had in the Ace sneakers. I did buy, I want to say year before last on Fashionphile, I bought a pair of Gucci loafers in men's size. And I thought, oh, I'm an 8.5 in women's, right? I'll go to what I normally get is a 7.5 in men's. Don't do that for Gucci. Size way down. I don't even know what the size difference is. If these fit, it'll be 2 whole sizes. from my size to the men's because, like I said, I ordered a 6.5. So, but these are actually a 6. What? They look like they're kind of big, so I'm kind of glad that I'm going to check the site in a second. What? And they sent me a 6, but a 6 looks good, so maybe even 2.5 sizes, 3 sizes down from your normal size if you're going to go from women to a men's. I'm going to go check this out. I'm going to check my site and see what I actually did order and see if they just sent me the wrong thing. It might work out, but I'm going to go find out. I'll be right back. Un momento, por favor. You guys didn't know I was bilingual, and sometimes I can speak 2 languages. Okay, I'm just kidding. Hold on!
1 winner later.
Okay, I am back. Yes. I tried this one on, and it fits perfectly. Thank goodness the site got me wrong, but I don't know why they did that. Okay, so when you're ordering on Jomashop, I did order a 6.5. It's in my order history, 6.5, but they sent me the 6, and I'm actually glad they did because my toe comes to about right here. If this had been a 6.5, I can't imagine they would not have fit. So this is just, I probably even could have gone a 5.5. So in sneakers, they run huge. They say they do. I think I'm a 39 in women's, but who knows in sneakers from Gucci what I am in the women's because I got the men's. But 6 is perfect. So something to remember on Jomashop.com, when you order anything like clothing or shoes that need your size and you haven't tried it on because it's online, you can't, or you don't know your size and you're going to just take a shot, they do charge a restock fee. So if you, for some reason, get it, this had been a 6.5 and I couldn't wear it and I had to send it back, thank goodness I don't, they do charge you. So just a word. And if you're buying a costly item, yeah, sneakers, shoes, loafers, something like that, boots, that can get kind of pricey. That ticks me off about the site, but everything else, I bought a bag. I bought that Burberry bag from there. I bought another pair of Common Projects from there. One time I bought a Common Project and it didn't fit, and that's how I found out they had a restock, and I was kind of ticked. So be sure, and I did take a shot in the dark, but I'm glad that they sent me they messed up, but their mess up is to my advantage. Yes! I love it because that normally does not ever happen. So anyhow, these fit perfectly. I'm going to have my husband, there's a hair on them, I'm going to have my husband do a mod shot for me, but girl. Oh, okay, so pricing. This reminds me of the hubs. So these are on the Gucci website for $690. There is no way in hell I was going to pay $690 plus tax. What's that, $750? No. She can't, she won't, she's not going to do it. So on Jomashop that day that they sent me that saver thing, I found a promo code, and I also got the discount, which brought this to about 50%. So I paid a little less than half off for these shoes. What? Yes, girl. So, and I didn't get the B, but I'm not sorry I didn't. I still like these. They fit perfectly. I am definitely going to wear these to my grocery store visit this week, but I love them. Okay, so I want to do an update on this little gal that I bought last time. I did an unboxing. I got this little guy off of my Fashionphile. I did a reserve payment on this and used the whole 2 months and got this. So I told you guys I was going to take that Gucci chain off there. It was just a little like shoulder chain or a little clutch. I was going to put the crossbody chain on. I did, which I used my Felici chain and my handy dandy extender, which I love this link so much. I ended up buying just here or there, but the other day I ended up buying a necklace in this link, smaller, and a bracelet to match. So I'm very excited about that. Got it on Nordstrom, NordstromRack.com. Took a while to get here, but I'm so glad that I got that because I just love this, like, what do they call that? The paperclip link or something like that. So anyway, my extender, I will try to post where I got this because I cannot remember right off. But anyhow, somebody was asking about comparing the mini pochette to give you guys, I'm going to put a mod shot up here, a heavily edited mod shot, because girl, ooh, we having some body issues. But anyhow, I'm going to put a mod shot that I edited down for you guys just to show you that, yes, girl, this can be carried as a little crossbody bag, and I love it. People are just like, what is that thing you got? I'm like, it's a little tiny Gucci bag. What? So compared to the mini pochette, girl, look at the size difference. It's, yes, and you know this thing is tiny, so this is itty bitty baby. It will fit in here. I don't want to actually stick it in there because that's what she said. But yeah, it will actually fit down in the mini pochette. I just don't want to scratch it up on the sides with the zipper. But yeah, look at the two. Crazy. So yeah, somebody was asking me to do like a what fits on it. So inside of this, all that's inside, I've got some cards in there because like I said, I'm just carrying it. It's got the little Gucci stamp right here and a little serial code. And then on the inside of the actual little tiny bag is like a microfiber, just like the, what do they call these bags? I'll put it up here. I cannot think right now. And matelassé means leather. It's the kind of leather they used on this. I'm so like, what? Anyhow, I cannot think of the name, but anyway, it's just like a bigger version of that, just shrunken down to tiny, tiny Beetlejuice size. Okay, so if I was gonna stuff this thing just to give you a comparison of what, or just to give you an idea, I put cards in there, and I think I've got 6 or 7 cards, and there's a little, it's just a tiny, okay, I'm back. It's just a tiny chapstick. And if I put that straight down in here, it does fit. But that's, I mean, that's about it, girl. That's, let me try my key fob. I know my fob won't work. It's too big. But, I don't know. Oh, it did! So, okay. We're getting better. So, yes, everything, it does expand a teeny bit. So, look at that. I got chapstick. I got a key fob, and I got like 6 or 7 of my cards. What? I'm very excited. I didn't even try that before. I just put cards, and you could probably squeeze a little bit of cash in there, or maybe one more card, but that's it. That is all she wrote. This little magnet, you can hear it. I mean, it is, she snaps, and then to get it, yeah, yes. So that is the little tiny Gucci. I can't think of what this damn thing is. Okay, that was the Gucci Marmont. I finally thought of that. I had to look it up, but Marmont coin tiny case. It's actually smaller, a couple inches smaller than the Super Mini, so I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another thing that I found, and y'all know my love for designer t-shirts, and I actually have 0 that are authentic because I cannot pay $600 or $700 for. I won't do that either, but this came up on one of the selling sites, and girl, it was $76, and it is a vintage authentic Gucci Man's oversized XL t-shirt that fits me in a vintage, look at this, it's got the vintage decal on this and on the arm as well. I'm going to wear this in the next couple weeks on another video, so be on the lookout for my little Gucci t-shirt. I actually have an actual real Gucci t-shirt now. What? Mind blown. Okay, immediately following this video, I am going to do mod shots. Hopefully, my husband's going to record me just my feet. Showing the new Gucci Ace sneakers on and what they look like, girl. So don't go anywhere. Thank you for hitting that like button. Please subscribe. Also comment. I love to talk to you guys. And when you do that, apparently the algorithm goes nuts and they favor you. The YouTube gods go crazy for you. So if y'all will do that for me, that would be amazing. And listen, have yourself a great rest of the week. I'll be back here this weekend. Oh gosh, guys, a company sent me some nails. Yeah, all kinds of different nails. I'm going to unbox that and show you, and also give you the company name and all that info. If you are into nails, and I will be this weekend, I'm going to post that this weekend, so be on the lookout for that. And remember, girl, if y'all see my husband though, whoo, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Okay, hun, get my shoes. I got new shoes. I want to show everybody like mod shots of the shoes. What do you think?
Those are nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
What are they?
They're sneakers.
What kind?
They're Gucci. Gucci Ace sneakers. I've been wanting them.
What?
You know.
Gucci Mane?
No, Gucci sneakers.
Gucci Mane? How much them damn things cost?
Don't
lie to me.
Okay, they were like $100.
Don't lie to me.
Like 105.
You're still lying to me. $250.
I love you, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, you can go back to your...
That's why.
Precious, I love you. I love you, baby. You pretty, okay? Yeah, you are.